Did you know that even when your vehicle is parked outside on a mild 70-degree day, it only takes about 30 minutes for the temperature inside to exceed 100 degrees? On an 85-degree day, your interior can reach 100 degrees in less than 10 minutes. No one likes getting into a hot, stuffy vehicle. Aside from that, harmful UV exposure can also cause damage like cracks and fading to the interior. An easy way to prevent sun damage and keep your interior cooler is with a UVS100 Custom Sunscreen from Covercraft. One of the best things about these sunscreens is how easy they are to install. Just unfold the screen and place it in your windshield shiny side up to reflect the damaging UV rays. Because it's custom patterned for your vehicle, the sunscreen slides all the way down past the defroster to the bottom of the windshield for a perfect fit and full protection. Simply pull down the visors to hold the top of the screen in place. When it's time to hit the road, the accordion fold design makes for easy storage until the next time you need it. This tech tip is brought to you by Covercraft. Protection for whatever you drive.